We're up here at the Gower Mountain Trailhead. Really nice trailhead. Let me show you around a little bit. Some nice person left oranges here. They got a good map. They have water, so you can refill your water thing. Over there's chemical toilets and a little bowl in case you want to give your dog some water. Another hose over there. So really nice, well-maintained trailhead. Should be about an 8 or 9 mile hike. I'm getting a late start today, so I'm going to get after it. .9 miles, trail goes left or right. Just checking the All Trails app and you go left. Mile 1, the little bench here, ornately carved with an eagle. But if trail splits again and you go left, kind of downhill, and if you can see when we're going to climb through this gully back up the hill, we should get on a ridge line there for a little while. Mile 1.3, another Y in the trail. Once again, keep going downhill so we can go back uphill and hit that ridge, aiming towards the water tower up there. Got to mile 2 at the top of this little hill here. I'll spin around so you can kind of see it. Climbing up out of that creek, the last half mile has been strenuous, definitely workout. So we hit the ridge here, and then if you watch, you can see the trail. We'll go up that next ridge line, so we'll descend a little bit, go up that way. I think ultimately we're going over there, which looks far from here, but we'll do it. Mile 3, and I think I found one of the only shady spots on this trail, so I'm enjoying it here for a minute. But we did a series of hills up and down coming across the ridge line. Now we're in a really nice valley full of a lot of bees, a lot of honeybees. The whole place is buzzing. You should hear it and smell it. It smells really pretty. But I don't know if we can see it from here, but we're gonna start climbing again. We gotta head up. Okay, so some of the trail reviews say the trail just ends when you get up here, but if you just go up over this straight, or over this flat rock, and just keep going straight, what you're looking for is a cairn up here. You can see the cairn right here. Okay, so if you follow that dirt trail, you come here to this big rock, and it looks like the trail just kind of ends. Just gotta do some scrambling across this rock. You can see the cairn right there. And now you can see footprints. And then you pick up a pretty distinct trail. One more little rock scramble. Then you just follow this trail upwards. And then the trail will curve out around to the right hand side, straight up to the top. Out the Gals Mountain Trail, 8.5 or 8.6 miles, 4 hours, 10 minutes. That includes some walking around up at the summit. But this is a great trail, not crowded. I think it counted less than 20 folks all day. Only one knucklehead with a Bluetooth speaker. But it's strenuous at parts, lots of little up and down hills even on the way back. And then the views from the top are gorgeous. So a lot of folks recommended this trail. You got Wade recommended it, Wes recommended it, McCoy's friends recommended it, Andrea Sager recommended it, and now I'll recommend it because it's a neat trail. So come out here, check it out.